Welcome back to the show. This is PRM What to Say. Today I'm introducing something really small, rounded, and with surprisingly high tech, the golf ball. Hello, this is your host Jason.
Hello, I'm Evelyn. Honestly, I thought it was just rubber and with some dimple and logo on it. I had no idea there's so much engineering involved in it.
Come on, it's all science behind it. From the rubber cord and to the injection shells, and the dimples on it must be precise. And you can see this golf ball is a mini masterpiece of rubber and the plastic technology.
Oh, I see. So if the ball is too soft or too hard, it won't fly far and straight.
Exactly. And that's why the manufacturers are using the precise mold down to the millimeters.
Oh, so what about the outer layer is just painting on?
No, not quite. This is where the injection molding technique come in. And the outer layer, the cover, it's formed by the injection thermoform plastic. All the rubbers compound around it using really high pressure molds.
So it's not just about wrapping, it's about fusing every different layer together and with exact thickness.
Actually have like 5, 4, 3 layers ball, and like each layer give from the different aspect, from the durability and the spin, and also the feeling about to hit in it.
Oh, so how's the dimples? I used to have a lot of dimples on my face.
You're quite funny, huh? But no, the dimples are essential because it reduces the wind resistance. It helps the ball to stabilize during the flight. So if the dimple is not precision, it won't get performed really reliable.
Oh. I always notice how shiny and how beautiful golf balls are. How was it?
You're mentioning about the coating, which it provides a protection for the surface and also give it a premium finish. The next step, they were using the pad printing machine to give it a custom logo or any numbers, like you can print out the Angry Bird.
So I assume not every ball makes the cuts.
Yes, you are goddamn genius! Because each ball cannot be tested with the height, diameter, and the bounce rate. And we will make sure the quality control is really fit with the international standards. And say no more. Let's go. Let's go to play.
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Hey, so if you are thinking about upgrading your production line, please check on PRM's website. We have full range of injection molding machine for you.
And also subscribe to the PRM channel. I'm here waiting for you. You know, there's the 5, 4, and 3 layers wall, and each layer.
Now